This is a story about getting your drone license. First off, why should you get your drone license? Well, if you want to make any sort of money with your drone, then you need to have it. Or you can just fly it legally. Your choice. First, you need to study for your test. Yes, you have to complete a test in order to get your license. So study. What should you study? Here. This is what I did. Watch this guy's video. Watch it 2 or 3 times if you have to. He explains what's going to be on the test and what you need to know. Trust me, this guy's a legend. In his description, he has links to study guides and practice tests, so go through those. He was my main and only source that I used when studying for this test. So thank you, sir, for spreading free knowledge. I appreciate you. So after you feel good and ready, you need to call the government and tell them that you're ready. You're ready to take the test. So this is the part that sucked for me, and I don't know why the FAA does it this way, but whatever. You call the government and you wait 100 hours for someone to answer. Then when they finally answer, you tell them when and where you want to take the test. Then they call the nearest testing center and schedule your appointment. Then after that, you pay $150. Yeah, you pay before you even take the test. So don't fail, or you have to pay again. Now, it didn't work like that for me. It was a mess. I finally got a hold of the government, but they didn't get a hold of the testing center that I wanted to take the test at. So I had to wait till the next day, and I got sick of waiting, so I called the testing center, scheduled my own appointment, but after that I couldn't get a hold of the government to pay. So yeah, it was just a mess. But anyway, I got scheduled, and then I drove to my local testing center. I'm here, the aviation office. Time to go take this test. Pray for me. And sat around for an hour listening to actual pilots talk about pilot stuff, which I understood because I studied. And I sat there waiting for my proctor to show up. She finally showed up and we went into the testing room. They have cameras watching you, so don't cheat. And then they make you leave everything outside. Your phone, your keys. They even took my wallet. Anyway, I passed the test. I passed. I'm so... And walked out of there feeling like... It's a deer right there. My freaking backyard. It's a buck too. What? I'm shooting a video, bro. Not part of the video. Now back to the regularly scheduled. And walked out of there feeling like a beast. Don't. But you're still not done. After you pass the test, they give you a paper with your testing number on it. You have to wait at least 48 hours, and then you can apply for your drone license online. But don't wait more than 10 days, or your test results expire, and you have to do everything all over again. So you apply online, and then they give you a temporary license that you print, while you wait for them to send you yours in the mail. Now it takes a really long time for your actual license to come. It took about 2 months for mine to come. So after that, all that's left is for you to get a drone and register it. You have to register your drone online through the FAA, and it costs about $5, and then they give you this number, and then you can put the number on your drone. Now you're done. But you're probably wondering, was it worth it? I don't know. You tell me.